Okay, so I want to do a video to show you how much I just opened up the EUREKA thing and how much I vacuumed just around my kitchen and the front entrance. As you can tell, it's a lot. So you wouldn't believe how much dust and hair and stuff. Look at that. Look at that. Ugh, disgusting. Oh, disgusting. Look at that. All of that. Just from the kitchen and my doorway, which is where the majority of it, because all the tree shrubs and stuff that your shoes pick up. Look at that. That's disgusting. Can you see that? Disgusting. So, disgusting how much that came out. And then I'm gonna rinse it and get rid of all of that disgusting hair, dust, and stuff. So let's see. Yeah, there you go. Right down the garbage disposal. The nastiness. See if I can clean this sucker out. Okay, so there's some stuff in here, if you can see it. I'm gonna try to clean that out or wash it out. Oh yeah. Not doing a great job because this is my first time doing something like this, but.
Okay, I just unpacked her, got her put together, plugged her in, and gonna take her for her first spin. So you can see my house is all tile and area rugs is all I have. So that's why I got this particular unit because I don't need a heavy duty vacuum. So far I can tell you it is light as a feather. I mean, it is like lifting air, which is nice. And I can also tell you the cord is super, super long. So I figure I can do probably at least 2 rooms on this cord. So let's get her started. Oh, that's not the on button. That's the button to remove the stem. and just use it as the handheld. So let me hit the on button. Let's get it to stand up straight. Ooh, wow, okay, that sounds more powerful than I expected. So here we go. So this carpet I'm vacuuming is for area rug. Oh wow, okay, yeah, I can see. This is actually the first time I'm vacuuming. Bye.